Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the Gamdias White ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Computer PC Case. In this video, we'll dive into the features and benefits of this gaming PC case to help you make an informed decision. The Gamdias White ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC Case is designed with gamers in mind. It offers a sleek and stylish design in white, perfect for those looking to showcase their gaming rig. Made with high-quality materials, including tempered glass, plastic, metal, and ABS, ensuring durability. One of the standout features of this case is its RGB lighting capabilities. It supports RGB connection to compatible motherboards for system-wide lighting synchronization. The case comes with 4 built-in 120mm RGB fans that create an eye-catching display. The case features a full-size tempered glass side panel for easy access and showcasing your gaming components. This panel adds a premium look to your setup, allowing you to display your hardware in all its glory. Gamdias has prioritized airflow with a mesh front panel, ensuring your components stay cool during intense gaming sessions. The 4 built-in RGB fans not only look great but also contribute to efficient cooling. This gaming PC case offers great expandability with options for different storage configurations. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, giving you flexibility. With 7 PCIe slots, you can fully utilize your motherboard for various GPU setups. In conclusion, the Gamdias White ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC case is a visually stunning and functional choice for gamers. Its RGB lighting, tempered glass panel, and airflow design make it a compelling option. If you're looking to upgrade your gaming rig, this case deserves serious consideration. Thank you for joining us on UK Pro Reviewer today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or if you've used this product before, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, happy gaming!